that kind of wraps up the Creaform branded options. So again, the HandyScan lineup, the GoScan, and the MetroScan lineup are the three options within that. That's their those are their three scanner lines. The Peel is interesting because it's a kind of a subset of Creaform. It's their low cost option. They have a scanner and they have a software we're going to talk about. And the scanner itself is basically a baby Go scan. So it works very similar. White light, does color. It's just a little slower. It doesn't have as many cameras to track its motion. But it's a really cool option for a very, very competitive price if you pair that, especially if you compare that with its reverse engineering solution. So a really nice option. It's got some cool little upgrades to it. The software is a very linear software, so you don't basically just follow the steps. And the scanner has a touch screen on it, so there's no buttons or anything like that. It's very interactive. I do like this scanner a lot. And again, we've got it in use in automotive and many other applications. All right, so next thing is Peel.CAD. So this is the CAD program specifically for our lower cost Peel scanners. It's basically VX model, but with a few things pulled out of it. You can only use it for the Peel scans, but it's a really nice function, has almost all the capabilities of VX model as a really nice package price with the scanner. So that's a cool option as well. And again, we can you can extract all those features just like you've seen, and we can send them over basically as parametric or as direct import features to the similar softwares. So I'm not going to go over that. It's basically the same exact process as VX model, but it's really nice that Peel actually paired this with their scanner to give a very nice economical solution for reverse engineering.